Opioid epidemic. Classes of opioids are natural forms of opioids, which is morphine, methadone, fentanyl, and tramadol. Semi-synthetic forms of opioids are hydrocortisone, heroin, and oxycodone. Here you'll see the chart of the overdose deaths according to the CDC. The reasons for change would be numerous amounts of lives have been already lost now due to this alarming rate of opioid deaths. If we do not find a way to stop it or control this opioid epidemic, there is going to be a much greater problem at hand. Creating awareness would be one, advance the direct admission to treatment and recovery services for those dependent or families dealing with those dependent on this opioid epidemic crisis. Number two would we must provide better support for cutting-edge research on pain and addiction. And third would be employ better practices for management of an individual's pain.